Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn playing with the numbers in that chapter multiples. Then only we can continue exercise 3.1. So let us start. What is the meaning of multiples? Multiples means it will appear in the multiplication table. For example, if I take a number 2 in 2's table, which all numbers we are getting as answer? I mean 1 2's are 2, 1 2's are 2, 2 2's are 4, correct? 3 2's are 6, 4 2's are 8. So these all are multiples of 2. That means multiples will appear in the multiplication table of a number. And if I take a number 3, 3's multiples are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, etc. etc. So 3 1's are 3 or 1 3's are 3, 2 3's are 6, 3 3's are 9, 4 3's are 12. So these all are multiples of 3. In this, what you have understood that, what you have to remember, multiples are infinite. Because this table we can continue. Numbers are infinite, so table we can continue up to which number we want, we can do continuation. That's why multiples are infinite, we say. And if you get a question like a particular multiple you have to find. For example, fifth multiple of 6. Fifth multiple of 6, that means 6 table you have to remember. In 6 table, fifth multiple of 6 means what? 5 6 are 5 into 6. 5 into 6 30. Answer is 30. Fifth multiple of 6 means multiply both. 5 times 6 is equal to 30. Similarly, seventh multiple of 3. Seventh multiple of 3. 3 sevens are 21. So seventh multiple of 3 is 21. Then what will be the question? Find the first multiple of 10. First multiple of 10 is equal to 10 only. Because 1 tens are 10. So first multiple of 10 is 10. So I think you got an idea about multiples. Multiples will appear in the multiplication table of a number. The first multiple of a number is that number itself. That means first multiple of 10 is 10. First multiple of 5 is 5 only. That you have to remember. And you have to remember one more thing. Multiples are infinite. That means it will continue. It will be like going on no end. That's why it is infinite, we have to say. Then now let's discuss exercise 3.1. There is question number 2. Exercise 3.1. Question number 2. Find the first 5 multiples of a question is 5. So how to find first 5 multiples of 5? That means 1 5's are 5. 1 into 5 is equal to 5. Then 2 5's are, we should find first 5's are up to 5 we have to do. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Then 4 into 5 is equal to 20. 5 into 5 is equal to 25. So now here we got the answer. First 5 multiples of 5 is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So answer you have to rewrite 5, 10, then 15, 20 and 25 are first 5 multiples of 5. Now let's see question B. Question B is 8. That means first 5 multiples of 8. 1 into 8 is equal to 8. 2 into 8 is equal to 16. 3 into 8 is equal to 24. 4 into 8. 4 into 8 is equal to 32. 5 into 8 is equal to 40. That means first 5 multiples of 8 is equal to. So here we can write answer, which are 8, 16, 24, 32 and 40 are first 5 multiples of 8. Question number C. 9. So when we take 9's table, 1 into 9 is equal to 9. 2 into 9 is equal to 18. 3 into 9 is equal to 27. 4 into 9 is equal to 36. 5 into 9 is equal to 45. So first 5 multiples of 9 we got. So answer here 9, 18, 27, 36 and 45. So question number 2 only, there are 3 questions A, B and C. Done. Now third question is match the following. Let's see which one will be there as answer. Question C is match the following. Question 1. Column 1 35 is there. In column 2 which one is matching? Question 3. Question 1, I mean Roman number 1. So what will be the answer? Answer will be B. Multiple of 7. 35 is what? Multiple of 7. 7 5s are 35. So first answer is what? B. Now second one, 15. 15 what will be the answer? You check the option in column 2. Factor of 30. Okay, factor of 30. What is factor? We have discussed in our first video, I mean last video in class 6. So 30 is the factor of, 15 is the factor of 30. So second one's answer is D. Now third one 16. 16 what? 16 is multiple of 8. 8 2s are 16. So third one's answer is A. Fourth one 20. 20 you see the option F, factor of 20, because 1 into 20 we will get as first 2 factors. So fourth one's answer is F. Now one more is there. Question number 5. What is that? 25. Question is 25. So what is the answer? E option only. Factor of 50. We know 25 into 2 is only 50. So 5's answer is E. So we have completed now exercise 3.1. And if you have any doubt regarding factors and multiples, please put on comment box. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.